We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up NZD, CHF. We are on the 12-month time frame. Price action last candle to the right hand side is a bearish red candle. Current price is sitting at 0.54913. So if price action pushes down, it can head down to the bottom of that fourth to last candle wick, which is a little bit above currently now, and that can lead down to numbers of 0.52308. Now we look for price action high, which would be near the numbers of 1.72109. We're also going to add the midpoint, and that'll be at 1.11843. So if price action pushes up, it can tag that midpoint before tagging the second level lows, which would be the midpoint between the lowest low structure and the high. At that midpoint, bring it up just a little bit, and that will be near the numbers of 0.83354. So now let's take a look at what's going on in the market. So we do see that market came down to tag that support area multiple times. The best solid touches that we have is with the red and green to the left hand side. So this area here was the first touch of solid red and green close to our lows of structure. So if that market pushes up, where is it coming from? So it could create that momentum, and that will be basically creating that momentum of that support area here. So if you think about it, market did tag major area, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, came back to retest, and we're going to see it's going to push out. So like a double bottom and a retest. But let's add the other point. So keep it solid. First, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2, and that's the retest. And then we're going to see if the market pushes up. So it's a solid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a solid 5 pushes to that zone area, that box we created in yellow. And 5, most of the time, exhaustion. Sometimes you see 5 touches in a retest, which will create 6 touches to that bottom, but primarily 5, and then you'll see the market works its way up. If that does happen, we know that because of the primary touch, red and green, to that solid bottom of that support, market has touched 5 times, it will see that market can work its way up. Now, if price action pushes down, where is it headed from? So when market broke through the midpoint line, we're looking for the break and retest. We did receive that break. We do have that retest. So we have that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market came down. So market broke that second level lows for the 1, 2, 3 for the 4th time. And then we received consolidation. The market pushed down. So what this is reading is that we do know we have a triple top, and the market retests that second level lows for that first, second, third, and then market push down. So far we at a triple top, a triple retest, and we received a push. So this is why, if price action respects the fourth to last candle in the market, because that's the bearish red candle that touched towards the low. So the fourth to last candle was a candle that broke below the solid red and green touch of structure. So then that means we're working off the fourth to last candle to the bottom of that wick to the top of that wick. So anything within that structure is consolidation as a price second and third until it breaks out to the fourth to last candle to the top side or bottom side. So we are currently in a consolidation. It's looking like a bearish consolidation. Market's working its way down from a bearish move. So now when we zoom into price, we know we are working off the fourth to last candle. So let's just see what that market is reading. Because that market spiked down and came back up, price action second to last candle, third to last candle, and some of fourth to last candle is reading as a single top and a double retest. So this will be the single top, and the market came back to double retest that, and then we received a push. So altogether is reading as a triple top or a double top and a retest. The market came down, see if it's going to respect that bottom of the fourth to last candle wick. Now we walk into the 6-month time frame. Price action 6-month time frame, bearish red candle is still within that area. Let's put a zone around that. It's still within that area of that fourth to last candle on the 12-month time frame, and we are looking at the price second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh to last candle on the daily time frame. So as I said before, if that market is respected for the touches, we'll see it did respect over here, first, second, third, fourth. Retest, market work his way out, coming from a double bottom and a retest. And if you just read in this area, first, second, third, fourth, coming from a double bottoms, I mean, we want to see price break out of that area, of that zone, to create that double bottom formation. On the 3-month time frame, we have price action as a bearish red candle, so it's consolidating inside of the fourth to last candle. So we're waiting for that breakout to that area. Just within the last 4 candles, the market is reading. So if it respects the support, we'll see that coming down in red for that first leg, second leg, third leg, and we'll see that bullish green candle push out that area, unless price action breaks the solid red and green touches towards third and fourth to last candle of the market, which will lead us at zero price. We're looking for price to break 0.55125, and we did. So if that market pushes down further as we're walking down the time frame, we are looking for a break and retest. So 3-month time frame, second last candle broke. Price action reading as it came back to retest. So that means that we are in consolidation once again. So we got to wait till that market to identify the breakout of the second last candle towards that upside or to that downside. Weekly time frame, price action reading as a bearish red candle. What happened? So market came back to retest the midpoint. So we have a high, we have a low, and we have a midpoint. So when that market broke to that following level, and if you can see it tagged that major area of support in orange, market broke, came back to retest, and we're going to see if we receive a push. If it pushes and breaks out, it'll be market push, retest, and the market push down. So that means we received the breakout to the previous side. So we did receive the breakout of that structure from the monthly time frame or the SR line, and now we're looking for the break to see if that market is going to push down further. And if it does, we paying attention to the weekly time frame of the break of the support of that previous side, which would be near the numbers of 0.54751. So as we walk down the time frame, we're looking to see if it's going to break, retest, or so far as in consolidation within that zone. So if you think about the SR line we just created, anything within this area is consolidation. So we're waiting for the breakout. We're going to turn that color to red, and we're going to continue to walk down the time frame. So we see that the market is in that structure of that zone. So we're waiting to see if it's going to respect the breakout. Now it could go 2 ways. The market pushes down. Where is it coming from? Multiple pushes to that high, which identified overall break and retest. And that overall break and retest, we do have the first, second, third, fourth. So that means we're looking for the breakout, the retest, to see if that market's going to break down. Unless it consolidates in that zone that we created, unless we receive the market pushes up. So if it pushes up, where is it coming from? Now if it pushes up, headed down to the 4-hour time frame, it'll be coming from the multiple touches to that support. So we had 2 touches to the support at the retest, and we have a pattern at the bottom. At the bottom, we have a W. So we have a double bottom. Market went up to a level, retest, push up to a high, overall retest, and it went back into the zone. So if it pushes out this area, market's coming from a double bottom and a double retest, unless the market does what? Break the zone and follow through with a break of that zone and retest and push down further. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, NZD, CHF.